Latinos. Oh yeah, he's Croat, yeah. Bro, I've been Poland. I told you I went Krakow? Is it Krakow? Krakow. I went Auschwitz and that. Yeah, the school trip was quite sad actually. It was really eye-opening experience. Bro, Albanian girls are beautiful, but their fathers got like AKs and shit. I'm cool. You get kidnapped. London. How about Iranian? Yeah, Iranian women are nice. Motherfucking, what's it? Persian. That's Iran, innit? Persia, I used to. Yeah, Krakow, yeah. Sad place, man. I like Poland, though. But the weather, bro, I still remember I was the coldest I've ever been in my life. I had like a rain jacket on and we was in Krakow and we got some pizza and it was dead. And it was raining so bad. I was so cold there, man. Freezing. My ethnicity, English, but blood is like French, German, and Irish, and English. Just a mixture. That's why I come out looking like this. Come out looking mad. My great-grandfather and his wife. Oh, sorry to hear that, bro. Nah, it's a sad, really sad place, man. I still remember, it was very eerie, like. It's very sad. Nah, Ireland's lit, man. Like I said, I got Irish in me. Nah, I'm not tough, bro. I'm not tough. I'll just look at it. Never shaved a beard, bro. I grew it at 17. I ain't shaved since, man. Come on. Alright, I'm a motherfucking render this. This is beat number 811. My friend made it. My friend made my tag. I just said to her, can you send me, record it on your voice memos on your phone. Send me it. And it comes as like an MPEG or something. You got to convert that to a WAV. I put it in FL, added a chorus, EQ'd it heavily, reverb, all that, and then it come out nice. Best way to organize like this. So you have your MP3s here. Do it by the date. So like documents, beats, 2021 beats, MP3s, and you have MP3s as zips. Save them as zips. Get me? Number, name, BPM, who's on it. You get? Best way. Best way. I wrote Mello. Nah, I swear, I used to speak to him though, Mello, but I ain't worked with him now. Or maybe in the past, but I can't remember. When did you make your first beat? I first started playing around with like Lex Luger stuff, probably at age like 15, 14. Nah, I'm nasty. I'm actually nasty. I'm nasty, bro. I'm gonna upload this Rihanna thing. Nah, I don't save the web, nah. God damn. I'm nasty with it. Me and Glockley made some dumb beats. Let me find it. Yeah, I have an email for this GhostySubmissions@gmail.com. It's in my own bio. I'm sending this one to Benny Jr. and he's working. He's hard. uploading that Rihanna thing now. Hey, Alexander, don't say that, bro. Come on, man. Yeah, I will, blah. Da, bro. Yeah, Zeph, send me some, bro. I'm down. Mom, you get my message? You get my message? Hey, I'm on live. Oh, my bad. Yeah, there's Zeph, send some drums with it though. Go get that Zeph drum in it. I'll walk around it. Oh yeah, I finished this thing with stress, but I didn't do it drill. I did it like kind of like why you can, force it for Zeph. This one's mad, I like. Oh yeah, man. I'm gonna run it up.